This 2022 Winnebago Minnie 2301 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 29 feet 10 inches in length and features air conditioning, spare tire kit, LP detector, microwave, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, awning, water heater, stovetop burner, smoke detector, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Winnebago Minnie 2301 BHS is 5,960 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.